wika ai. Ho'o mākau kau ika pa'akai. Ho'o mākau kau ika i'o. Smoke meat, not drugs. What's up, Balala? You know I called ya. I'm looking for Kiave, but I know you get guava. We can throw on some chickens. I know you like the sausage hotter. We can run the ribs and brisket, whatever you wanna. No murder style, we strictly slaughter Hawaiian south upon the counter for make that mean we pick Kaula. Got that shoyu, sugar, ginger, garlic, chili, pepper, water. Cause the boys just came back with one big frickin' poo-ah, eh. We knock on pow till sunset and we're sparking it up at dawn now.